Hello? Who are you?
I'm Ivy.
Okay. Hi, Ivy. I'm Agnes.
I'm terrible with names, so I probably won't remember it anyway. Just say what you want and leave me be. I'm not looking for company.
I promise I won't take much of your time. Someone's following me. We need to get out of here.
I can't.
But it's some crazy mother. He's got an axe.
I know. But she will never let me go.
Who?
She.
Who is she?
She is the monster that keeps me here. A fat little maggot that crawled inside my head and refuses to leave. She's a god and a devil, a trickster, a demon.
Great. Why don't you just make some room for me on that chair? And we'll wait together for our imminent death, shall we?
I don't need your bitter irony. I knew you wouldn't understand. Go away.
But how? This place is full of dead ends. I'm lost.
There is one way. It leads right through her house. But maybe you can make it.
I will make it, but you're coming with me.
You can't help me. There's no way I'm leaving this room.
This place is batshit crazy. Stop moping. The sooner we go, the better.
I said no!
Get your ass off this chair right now and follow me.
But
No buts. You'll be fine. I will protect you. Come on.
wait. There's a door in one of these rooms here. It won't open without a handle. You'll need to make one.
Make a door handle?
Not a real handle. Just one suited for a door like this.
Okay. Cool. I'll deal with that. You just follow me, yeah? It's time to bust out of here. Careful now. I think the man that follows me went through here earlier.
We're here. That's the door I was telling you about.
I'll pretend I believe you for now, no matter how crazy this sounds. And we have a perfect door handle. Now, how do we use it?
Push it.
No! I'm so sorry.
Welcome to my house, young lady.
Who are you?
I have so many names. to pick them. But the only thing that truly matters is who you think I am.
Hallucination?
Come closer. I'm not as scary as they paint me. Please, be my guest. Have some soup.
Don't mind if I do. Okay. This soup is... blood.
It's tomato.
Actually, I'm not that hungry after all.
Please, don't be shy. I made plenty for everyone.
I had a big lunch.
No, you're being silly. A nice hot soup will make you feel so much better.
Actually, I'm trying to cut down on blood.
Fine, if you want to waste a perfectly good soup. But I bet your good friend Joe would gobble up every last bit of it.
Why's that? Is he a vampire?
The worst kind. A parasite.
You know Joe?
Oh, I know him well. He's a friend of a friend. He came by not long ago.
Did you give him your soup?
He only tasted it. But he's already building up quite an appetite for it, I can tell.
Who are you? I mean, who are you really?
Why? I thought I was just a mere hallucination.
You said you have many names. I'm just curious which one is real.
I've not used my real name for a long time. I don't need names. I am the Queen of Maggots, adored and feared by all. And this is my kingdom of death.
But there was once another name, am I right?
Yes, there was. But why would I tell you about it? You don't even belong here, just passing through. I have no quarrel with you, young lady.
I'll eat the soup if you tell me.
Lorelei.
That's pretty. Thank you for telling me. But I'm afraid I lied about the soup. So I think I'll better go now. Goodbye, Lorelei.
One more thing.
Yeah?
Would you kindly blow out one of the candles in the next room?
What? Why?
It's just a little tradition in my house. I ask all my guests to do that.
Okay. I'll think about it. Alright, let's do this. It's you! What were you even doing in there?
Was just about to shoot myself in the head.
Oh, come on. We should save bullets for that bastard with the axe.
Where are we?
Yeah, not a nice place. We should probably start looking for a way out.
Yeah, follow me. And thanks.